Hi guys, it's Reece here from R44's workshop. Today we've got our G80 on the ramp to show you guys how to fit the new diffuser. So this diffuser, again, is obviously a pre-preg production piece, backed with a 3-year warranty. It's not a crazy diffuser, so we wanted to bring out the first diffuser, mixing the OEM with what BMW have done on the carbon pack. So for the people like ourselves, without the carbon pack, we now have a diffuser which is cheaper than a BMW diffuser, but same production methods and same quality. So looking at this, do you want to come around, Dylan? Let's have a little look what changes have been made. So if you look, this is a non-carbon pack car with a gloss black diffuser, and you can see the similarities in the design. This fin is the same as there, this fin's the same, this fin, the same. So we've added one extra fin in the center, and we've also beefed up these fins a little bit, so they're slightly more out than the original. So it's not crazy, we haven't reinvented the wheel on this one, but we just wanted something more aggressive and obviously carbon to pair up with our lovely carbon boot lid. So yeah, let's show you how to fit this. It is a really nice piece to install, very OEM. You will notice there is a build-up of resin on the clips in a carbon fiber mold. It's very difficult to, with a pre-preg, it's not built with resin. You put it in an autoclave and the resin's pulled out of the material. So we've had to top up the clips with a bit of resin. So don't be alarmed when you see that. There is a build-up of resin on there. That's because we're trying to replicate a plastic clip with a carbon piece. So yeah, let's do it. So quick one looking into what tools you need to change your diffuser. There's two options. You need a trim removal tool to pull out the clips that hold the bottom of the diffuser in. On this one, I'm gonna use the metal pry tools. I find these a little bit more easy, or a lot easier, to direct the pressure into the clip. But if you do have the plastic ones, pull them in, or if you don't have any in total, we do sell this blue kit. We use this most of the time, but with the harder clips, we just use these because it's easier. So I'll use this one, nice and big, we'll get in there. Cool. So we're now underneath the car. Look at that lovely titanium system. Anyways, you need to remove these. So BMW made it really easy. That's why using this trim tool is nice and easy. Just work your way underneath there. Once you're underneath, it's just a case of, I'm trying to hold a torch as well. Just pull that out like that. So there's 4 in total, one more over here, one more over here. Remove those and we'll catch up with you in a second. Cool. We are now going to remove the diffuser. So the clips have been removed. You can see there's now movement in the product. So it is quite difficult, I must admit. So the first step is getting in behind. There's some clips. So you can see that clip there. Come over here, Dylan. You can see that. I put a glove on because there's gonna be a lot of debris under the back there. So you kind of want to get in from behind and press those clips down all the way. Done that one. This one, I'm just gonna work it out. I'm gonna come around here again. There you go. And then clip those out and it's come off. Sometimes, if this is the customer's car, for example, tape up the tips beforehand, just because you're going to be moving in that area and you don't want to get any damage to the tips. Cool. All right, so we're now going to fit the new diffuser. Very simple. Again, like I said, I would highly recommend taping your tips. It's as simple as that. You'll hear it clip in. It's a nice tight fit. Obviously there's a lot of movement here. We're now going to get the car back up in the air and do it in. So in case, just push all the way along, make sure it's clipped in, and as easy as that. What do you think, guys and girls? I think it looks amazing. Really happy with it. For me, as an OEM plus, not so much, but kind of guy, I really like the fitment and the look. So guys, again, check out all the other videos. We've got loads of new products for the G80, G82 coming out in the coming weeks, so we'll just keep smashing out the videos. So yeah, like and subscribe and drop a comment. Take care.